30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Day 14. Learn English with movies and YouTube. What if improving your English could be as fun as watching your favorite videos? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Today is day 14, and we are going to explore one of the most enjoyable ways to improve your English. Learning English with movies and YouTube. Many English learners believe they must spend hours studying grammar books to become fluent. While grammar is important, there is another powerful way to improve your English naturally. You can learn through entertainment. Think about it. Millions of people spend hours watching movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos every week. What if some of that time could also help you become a better English speaker? The good news is that it can. Movies and YouTube videos expose you to real English. You hear how native speakers actually talk in everyday situations. You learn vocabulary, pronunciation, expressions, and speaking patterns that are difficult to find in traditional textbooks. Let's start with movies. When you watch a movie in English, you are not just hearing words. You are also seeing actions, emotions, and situations. This helps your brain connect language with meaning. For example, imagine a character says, "I'm running late." Even if you have never heard that phrase before, you can probably understand it from the situation. This is called learning through context. Your brain learns naturally without translating every word. However, many learners make one common mistake. They try to understand every single word. This can be frustrating. Instead, focus on understanding the main idea. Remember, even native speakers do not always catch every word in a movie. Focus on the story and enjoy the experience. Now let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is one of the best free resources for English learners because there is content for every interest. Do you enjoy cooking? Watch cooking channels. Do you like technology? Watch technology reviews. Do you enjoy travel? Watch travel videos. When you learn English through topics you already love, studying feels less like work and more like fun. You also stay motivated because you are learning something interesting while improving your language skills. Here is a simple 3-step method you can use. Step 1. Watch. Choose a short video or movie scene and watch it normally. Do not pause too often. Just enjoy it and focus on understanding the general message. Step 2. Listen again. This time, pay attention to useful words and expressions. Write down a few phrases that seem useful or interesting. Step 3. Speak. Repeat the phrases aloud. Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. This technique is often called shadowing. Shadowing helps improve listening, pronunciation, and speaking confidence at the same time. Let's try an example. Imagine you hear someone say, "I can't wait to see it." This phrase means you are very excited about something. Repeat it aloud. "I can't wait to see it." Now imagine hearing, "That sounds like a great idea." Repeat it. "That sounds like a great idea." These are natural expressions that people use every day. Movies and YouTube videos are full of useful phrases like these. Another great benefit is vocabulary growth. When you repeatedly hear words in different situations, they become easier to remember. For example, if you hear the word adventure in travel videos, movies, and conversations, your brain begins to recognize and remember it naturally. This is much more effective than memorizing long vocabulary lists without context. Now let me give you an important tip. Choose content that matches your English level. If a movie or video is too difficult, you may feel discouraged. Start with content you can understand reasonably well. As your listening skills improve, gradually challenge yourself with more advanced material. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Today's challenge is simple. Watch a 5-minute English YouTube video or a short movie scene. Write down 3 new words or expressions. Then use each one in your own sentence and say the sentences aloud. This small habit can greatly improve your listening skills, vocabulary, and speaking confidence over time. Learning English does not always have to feel like studying. Sometimes the best classroom is a movie screen or a YouTube video. The more English you enjoy, the more English you will learn. Tell us your favorite movie or YouTube channel in the comments and join me for day 15 of the challenge.
Growing pride, let's keep learning.